Hey, yo, broadcasting from Salt Lake City, Utah. I am Red Slow, and I am here to help you with your crypto hacks and facts, tips, and tricks so that you can make the currency altcoin picks. And I will thank you in advance because you could be anywhere in the world right now doing anything that you want, but you are tuned in to my channel, The Wolf of Cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and get into it. The date is August 3rd. It's very early in the morning. I have actually done this video a few times, but YouTube is, just kind of messed it up. Or I don't know, Apple, YouTube, I don't know. But we're talking about CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is the NASDAQ, the Wall Street Journal, the number board that everybody wakes up to and looks at every single morning. Still looking at Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. When you're a crypto trader, you're looking at coinmarketcap.com. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I don't know if I can go ahead and get this to do it, but sometimes I can. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and show you how to use this program and how, let's see here, ejecting bad acting. Oh my gosh. Come on, come back. Anyway, so we can go ahead and jump right into it. And I don't know if we'll be able to see this, but CoinMarketCap. What it does is, it tells you exactly what the CoinMarketCap is at, which is at $100 billion, which is insane. So obviously, a lot of people came over from Wall Street and other Forex and stuff like that to venture in this Bitcoin fork that we have. And this made almost $8 billion in one day, which is the highest ever. I remember IOTA made 155 million in 30 minutes. And so we're just breaking records left and right. And really, if you know anything about anything, it's really hard to lose in this kind of market. I say that honestly because if you chart this kind of stuff, like NXT, man, we've been holding for a while. We knew it was going to break out. It broke out over the last few days. But how this site works is, the coins are managed by market cap, and you can go ahead and switch them. So if you want to go ahead and switch the price, which usually the price will follow, or you want to switch the 24-hour volume or the percentage, you can go ahead and do that. So like, since if you're going down here and you're looking for like a momentum trade or something like that, what you're going to want to do actually is go to trending and go to gainers and losers. And this will actually give you the biggest gainers and the biggest losers. So it's cool because, limit coin's just been blowing up. So in the last 24 hours, it's gone up 109%. In the last 7 days, it has, only 48%. But that's, things go in and out, up and down, up and down. Now in the last hour, if you're looking for a momentum trade, let's see, last hour. Whoops, no, we had it right there. Okay, so Faircoin up 52%, or Varium Reserve, which is actually a very good coin. very interesting concept, Varium and Varium Reserve, that I think I'm going to get into. But in the last, well, let's go ahead. In the last hour, it looks like, Faircoin went up 36%. I mean, these numbers are just unreal. Something to even go up 6% would be insane. No Limit Coin, I think that they're actually going to do all right just because the guy knows how to market and he's got some software where people want to put their coins on there. And he said, yeah, if I can put no limit on there, I'll let you do it. So he's going to be next to all the big boys and people are going to want to, know what it is. And then we got, the rest. So it's the biggest gainers, the biggest losers. And I'm not going to lie, sometimes I pick from the biggest losers because you want to buy low and sell high, right? And in about a few hours, 4 hours, usually it's 6 o'clock in the morning, General Mountain time, is when the the things open with is when Singapore opens its markets, and you'll always see the prices just spike. So it's kind of nice sometimes if it's a good coin and like Veritasium and it's down like 12%, then sometimes it's good to buy that because you know that it's going to spike like the next day. To chart things out. I mean, I'm a firm believer in charting, and like metal's a great coin. I mean, geez, the technology and everything like that that's coming out is just amazing. I mean, look at this, the future of equity on the blockchain. I mean, there's just every single day you see a new thing, pre-search, decentralized search engine by the community. Now, yeah, all they're doing is trying to drive a wedge in Google, but they have a good chance of actually succeeding doing that, which is just insane to think about. A lot of people lose a lot of money because a lot of people use their algorithms to make money and to market and things like that. So, it's pretty simple. If you don't know what a coin is, like say you're going down and you never heard of Komodo, which is actually a fork off of Bitcoin Dark. Whoops, excuse me. And then you can go in here and you can first of all, you can see where it's being traded. And it's on Cryptopia, Coin Exchange, and Bittrex, right? Then you can go to their website. Urge people to do their homework. Do your homework before you invest in a coin, okay? Just do your homework. It's not that hard. It's easy. Now, Komodo is going to be, a super, very fast, cloaked or private, secure, stable coin, and I think they're off to a pretty good start. They've been holding very secure, and look at that team right there. I mean, that's a pretty big team. So my point is, though, you should be using this and looking at this every single day. Another coin that I've been looking at, well, let's go ahead and click on the CoinMarketCap. And this is the 400th coin. There's over 1,000 coins. And it looks like it's gone up when that kind of stinks. But I'm going to go ahead and buy actually a few master nodes at least, because right now they are only $1,500. Now, the point of that being is that this is a fork of Dash. It's enhanced, and Dash, everybody loves it. So once they get their marketing team up, and people, are going to be, I mean, people will probably adopted this sooner than Pivx. So you just do your homework on here. You can see their social media stuff, their Twitters, the Twitters and tweets and things that they send out. And um, what you want to do is really just keep an eye on, Bitcoin dominance, 24-hour volume, market capitalization, because when the market is down to like 80 billion, you'll see a lot of coins dropping and Bitcoin dropping and so on and so forth. For example, when the stock exchange hit an all-time goal, this was down to like 70 billion, and now it's up to 100 billion, which is just insane. So crypto is definitely really hot. This is a place to be. And for you noobs, if you don't know about this site, get to know this site really good, because all you do is get up in the morning, scroll through, see what the prices are, kind of make your next move. If you don't know how to chart, learn how to freaking chart. And you can also go to, let's just go ahead and do it real quick, Trading View, where you will be able to see a lot of people that are pros at charting, and they are usually spot on. So you can type in something like Strat, which is a Stratus. I could actually just put Stratus in there, and it will bring up all the and this one's going to take off. So here's the optimal buy. It was actually down here, but I missed it. And a lot of these things are saying the same thing. All right. When you go down here, you go, to August 2nd. And anyway, most of them are saying the same thing, that it's going to go up. So I already have it put in my ledger. What I like to do, click on these, check them out. It's been following the lines by, hold on just a second here. You can see if it's been following the lines by just hitting that, and obviously it did have a breakout, but it came back down. So it's literally going to follow this line, and I mean, this is actually perfect. And then it's to the moon with Stratus. I think it really is going to hit about let's see here, from this it might it might double. There's a very good chance that it could go to here and double. I don't know why it wouldn't. So yeah, anyway, yeah, so you could go ahead and mark that on your ledger. But those are two things I want to talk about. And you're rocking with Rhett Sloat, the Wolf of Wall Street, and I will catch you on the next one. So take care of yourself, and let's go ahead and say a prayer for everyone. And when I mean everyone, I mean everyone. Pray the real get exposed, pray the fake live forever, and the real get exposed. I'll catch you on